Hi guys, Mike here. I have a couple little doodads that I want to share with you here. I'm working on this surface grinder refurb and I'm waiting for some parts so I can power it up. I have a couple little things I want to work on here. First of all, to mount the grinding wheel onto the hub, I've made this little drawing of a hub wrench. I kind of went by memory and I form fitted some different geometry in here. It seems right to my eye. I'm going to make this out of 3/8 thick steel, so that way I'll be able to use the hub wrench on this washer to mount the wheel onto the hub. Now another thing that I have drawn up here that I'm going to make is what I call a hub jack, and that is a jack to remove the hub from the grinder. So the hub installs on a taper on the grinder, and then the wheel mounts on the hub itself. And the reason that you want to be able to remove the hub with the wheel is you might have a form or an angle or something special dressed into the wheel that you want to preserve and be able to come back to later, and you'll be able to just mount the hub on the wheel and it'll run concentric and you're right back in business. So anyway, I want to take that hub off my grinder and just check it and make sure that you know, it's all cleaned up and in good shape. I want to have one hub. Okay, so those are the two things, little items here that we're going to make, and we'll just get right into that. Alright guys, here's the surface grinder mount that I was telling you about. And I know a lot of you guys are really familiar with this, you're very experienced, but there might be some guys that aren't. Anyway, this is the hub, and you can take the wheel off the hub, or you can take the wheel and the hub off the spindle of the grinder. So I've loosened up the center nut. This was easy to loosen up. This is a left-handed thread. And here's the hub puller that I made, and we'll see if this works. I just guessed at the thread size. Thank goodness it screws on there. It does kind of, yeah, I guess it bottoms out. Okay. So then you screw the jack in, and the whole hub comes off. Now, if you did happen to have a precision radius ground on this wheel, or an angle or something like that, you could take this hub off, put another wheel on, use the grinder, take that off, come back, put this hub on, and you wouldn't have to redress the wheel. Everything would run perfectly. So that's the way that works. I wish I had another hub, but man, I'll tell you, they're expensive. Alright guys, so there's the hub puller. Now to make the wrench for the this nut out here. Yeah, can't even get that one off without a wrench. Alrighty, so now we can clean up the taper on the spindle of the grinder, and yeah, we're cooking. Alright, see you later.